Welcome to Mzansi Uncovered, bringing you trending South African stories daily. Please subscribe for daily updates.
Coach Hugo, unfortunate results this. Maybe if I can take you into your confidence with regards to the plan. Obviously the result says it didn't work out, but you were confident that you would get something out of it.
I think we played a very good game, except maybe the first 15 minutes there was pressure from Mexico. They had some little chances, but not so much. But after that, I think Mexico was some moments in the game desperate. They didn't find spaces, they didn't find players, they played back, they played their weight. So I think we did very good the first half, except that one moment we lost the ball on our 16. You can never dribble there in that position. So yeah, the Bocho lost the ball, immediately there was space and they scored. Same thing the second half. We lost the ball in the middle of the field. Also on a moment we don't have to lose that ball there. Deep ball immediately. Okay, penalty, normally, red card, normally. But the second red card, I'm not so sure. I think it was the Mexican player who blocked Zwane. And that's okay, the referee saw it differently. But I don't think it was really a red card for Temba.
And then with Yaya getting that first red card, I mean, I think from what I saw, it was his mistake that led to the first goal. Is it because maybe the confidence dropped in the second half, finding him the last man, and then obviously when you are the last man, you know it?
But I think that's something we have to work on, the game when we have the ball. So we had also in the first half some opportunities. If we played good, if we do good, it can be a chance. I don't say a goal, but it can be a chance. But now the last pass was not good. Or we give a bad ball. So this is something we have to improve for the next games. And if we play again like this and we improve that, I think we can make results.
And then finally, Coach, Czechia, South Korea, 2 red cards, 2 key players. How do you bounce back?
Yeah, okay. Those are the rules. Let's hope that in the next games the rules are like this today, and that also the other teams will suffer from red cards.